Oh, hello. You just caught me doing a spot of laundry. Hope you're well. You know, the way that you have to pick out each piece and organise it by type, size or colour, well, it's kind of like writing a good history essay. You gather all the pieces, organise them into categories, and put it all together to make sense of it all. Now, what if history could be just as organised? Well, I've designed a lesson on Dan's History Highway, my Teachers Pay Teachers store, that does just that for your students. So today, I'm going to introduce you to a Roaring Twenties lesson that brings cultural shifts in that decade to life. But before I do, shoo away. Go on, I could have anything in here. You shouldn't be watching me organise my laundry. This lesson takes students right into the heart of 1920s America, exploring its dramatic social and cultural changes. And one of the highlights of the lesson is the digital drag-and-drop clothesline activity. Students categorize evidence about key topics like leisure, women's roles and religion during the Roaring Twenties. It's fun, interactive and helps your students think critically about how society was evolving in this revolutionary decade. Just like with organising laundry, this digital task helps students sort through key events and ideas from the 20s. They'll learn about the rise of jazz, the flapper movement, Hollywood, and lots more. And by the end of the activity, they'll have a deeper understanding of how different groups embraced or resisted these societal changes. Why is this lesson so great? Well, it's hands-on and designed to bring history to life and help your students think about cultural shifts, just like writing that perfect essay where everything falls into place. So if you want to take your students on a journey through the Roaring Twenties, exploring social change, and if you want to make history truly come alive, check out this lesson on my TPT store, Teachers Pay Teachers store, Dan's History Highway. The link is in the comments below. Have a wonderful day, fellow educators. All the best. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new lesson idea. Check out Dan's History Highway on Teachers Pay Teachers for discounted bundles, dollar deals, and tons of resources, all organised by topic in the toolbar on the left. The link's in the comments below. So go have a browse. See you next time and keep bringing history to life in your classroom.